Hello and assalamu alaikum everybody. How is it going? I hope you're doing okay. Welcome to the channel. आज के वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ briefly एक pronunciation tip discuss करूँगा. So this pronunciation tip can improve your pronunciation और ये tip है च sound के बारे में. So if you see a word and there is a T plus U in the middle of that word, so that word will sound and pronounce as ch. अगर आप किसी वर्ड को देखते हो और उसके दरमियान में T प्लस U हो तो वो च की आवाज देगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल virtual, furniture, architecture, gesture, ritual, opportunity, eventually, actually, situation, literature, century, creature, adventure, temperature, mature, nature, future, culture, and congratulation. So that is it for today. Try this tip to improve your pronunciation and please subscribe for more videos and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा and Allah Hafiz.